everyone, my name is Nicole and I'm a physician assistant student, and I will be giving you a tour of Creighton's Health Sciences campus here in Phoenix. Let's go. Our socialization space is the perfect spot for studying and connecting with classmates. I love to come here to grab a snack or enjoy some sunshine on the patio during lunch and in between lectures. The close-knit community of Creighton students in Phoenix makes the PA program incredibly rewarding. These reservable study rooms are the ideal environment for both focused studying and collaboration. As a PA student, gaining exposure to real-world scenarios before we're working in clinic is essential. Our simulation exam suites mimic real-life clinical environments, so we hone patient care skills prior to clinical practice. Equipped with simulated hospital beds, exam tables, and mannequins, our acute and task training labs provide a dynamic learning space where faculty guide us through practical, hands-on situations. In the Norton Foundation Success Center, learning specialists, academic success coordinators, and counselors provide invaluable support for our whole person well-being. PA faculty and staff are also here to support us as we navigate our coursework and clinical training. Our campus is conveniently located in the Phoenix Medical Quarter, making it an easy distance from clinical experiences in the area. Thanks for joining me for a tour on campus. I'll see you around.